Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So a lot of you have been asking me how can you that you mistakenly delete your wallet or stuff like that. So what you just have to do is to download another Ton wallet, create your wallet, and make sure you keep audio password that is useful for the wallet so you won't lost it again. So this is how you can connect your wallet back to the account, and how you can also disconnect it. So you click on airdrop. So when you click on this airdrop, you show what your Ton wallet is connected. You click on this word Ton wallet. So this is it here to show something like this here. So you click cancel. See that cancel there, it will now show something like this. Are you sure you want to remove your Ton wallet? You say yes. So when you click yes to disconnect, so you now reconnect it back with the new one you just created, the new wallet you just created. So that's just it. It's very easy and very simple. That's just how you can connect and reconnect your wallet. And there are there are some other tasks you can also do to increase your coin. So that's just it. So right now when you click cancel, you say yes that you want to disconnect the wallet. When you click yes, it will disconnect for you, so you reconnect back the wallet. So when you click yes like this, so can you see your wallet has been disconnected from it. So that's just it. To connect it back, you click connect my wallet. So they ask you to pick the one you want. You click what, because I'm using my Ton wallet, so it's taking me to my wallet right now. So that's just it. It's very simple. If you mistakenly delete your Ton wallet account, you go and cancel it. It's very easy to cancel. Can you see it? It still show back. You say connect. So my wallet has been connected back successfully. So that's just it. It's very simple, guys. So it's very simple. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos for more. Thanks for watching.